Welcome to week 27, assignment 3. This is our typing week, so you should be practicing typing every day. You can go ahead and take your typing test if you want, just for your own knowledge, but that's not what you are going to be turning in. Basically, you are going to be going to this worksheet. It is a worksheet. Yes, it's set up like a quiz, but it is a worksheet, and you get to take it twice. So please pay attention. If you do not get 100 the first time, it will tell you the correct answers, and it is multiple choice, so you can go ahead and click on it. Once you go through to next, you'll hit submit, and like I said, after the first one it will give you all the correct answers, but it is all things that we have talked about, gone over, and learned about since the beginning of the year. So go ahead and take it. If you need to take it again, you can take it again, but there's no reason why everybody shouldn't get 100 on this one. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, message me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, have a wonderful, wonderful spring break, and I will see you in fourth quarter.